Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and beginning the fix now. Sign into your Google account on a desktop browser, check security your devices for that hardware entry. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the device and computer so discovery works. Make sure device time and time zone match account settings. Mismatched clocks cause token failures. If prompted, remove any previous device listings first. You're now ready to move into the pairing and token refresh steps that follow. You'll now perform the complex middle steps. On the browser, use your device's Manage to request a verification prompt. Then on the phone or tablet, follow the Google setup flow and choose Sign in using another device if available. Next, refresh credentials by clearing Google Play Services cache and force stopping it, then restart the device. Once the browser shows a pending approval, accept it and let tokens sync. If enrollment requires a factory reset, do that after exporting data, then repeat these steps carefully. Finish by completing the on-device setup and confirming the account association in your devices. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for server sync. If the device still shows unassociated, back up data and perform a factory reset, then sign in first on the device before restoring apps. Make sure two-step verification prompts are approved and app passwords are used where required. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable restrictive VPNs or enterprise profiles because they often block tokens.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.